You doing? Eating like a horsey? Huh, Kashmirik? What do you think you're doing? Huh? Huh? What are you doing, Kashmirik? You're eating with the horsey. You eating with Kleeklee. Huh? See? There's Kleeklee. Were you eating with her? Are you a horsey? Oops. Come on, Kashi. Good boy. You're gonna be a horsey one day. Are you gonna be a horsey one day? Look at you. You're so silly, Kashi. You're not a horsey. You can't keep eating that. Silly boy. Silly little puppy. Little German Shepherd puppy. Kashmirik, say bye-bye. Kashi. Kashi, and sit. Good boy. Say bye-bye. Good boy.